everyone, great to see you again. I'm Patrick from Meta-Earth. Everyone was talking about RWAs, real world assets, and trillions of dollars in real estate, bonds, and art tokenized and moving on to the blockchain. The bottleneck isn't the tokenization technology yet, it's trust and compliance. A bank still can't and won't issue an asset to an anonymous wallet address, which is raising tons of red flags for compliance. Anonymity is the main issue when it comes to RWAs. It's the trust paradox. The institution needs to trust the blockchains traditionally cannot provide it. What real-world assets need is an infrastructure that is verifiable, compliant, yet privacy-preserving. This is the role of Meta-Earth ID protocol. It is designed to verify the identity of users in compliance with regulatory requirements without revealing private data on-chain. Meta-Earth is more than a public chain. It's the trust bridge between traditional finance and Web3. Our modular tech provides the performance, and the MEID provides the credential of a compliant identity. We're built to bring the real economy on-chain. We are unlocking trillions in value. If you are a developer or an institution looking for a compliant-ready Launchpad, Meta-Earth is your home. Let's build the real economy together.